This is a video demonstration of our Lab 5 assignment, Bluetooth Audrino sensing. For this assignment, we are using an Audrino Duo board. A button and a potentiometer is connected to this board. The input of the button is connected to the pin D0 and the input of the potentiometer is connected to the pin A0. We will also be using an iPhone to get the values of the Audrino the data of the Audrino and display it in our application. The values will be transferred to the iPhone using Bluetooth Low Energy. So now I have just turned on the chip and I have iPhone with me, so we'll try to connect the chip to our phone using our application. So the phone is currently searching for the nearby Bluetooth devices and it has found our board. We can see that the intensity of the brightness of the LED is 45 and the color of the LED is currently red. Now if I press this button, the color changes to green. The button is causing an interrupt, and we have also added a delay of 100 milliseconds to prevent debouncing effect. So, and also if we use our potentiometer, oops. So as we rotate the screw of the potentiometer, we can see the intensity of the LED. The brightness of the LED increases, and as I'm decreasing, and it's also reflected in the slider as well as the graph. So if I turn all the way to 0, you can see the LED is almost turned off. So now, the data is reflected in the text label, the slider, and as well as the graph. Now we want to control the Audrino chip using our iPhone. So for that, we'll use the values of the phone instead of the potentiometer. So we just want to switch this on. Now it will not use the values which is coming from the potentiometer, but rather from this slider. So as we increase or decrease, the brightness is controlled using the slider, and you can see it's reflected in the text label as well as the graph below. Also, we can change the color using the button over here. So we can change the brightness of the LED as well as the color of the LED from our phone, and it's reflecting in the chip. And if we turn all the way to 0, and if we turn our control from the phone off, it will again start using the values from the potentiometer. So if I turn this off, so it's now currently using the value of the potentiometer rather than the slider. And the graph, you can see it's live over here. So this was the application which we made. Hope you like it. Thank you.